In less than 7 minutes, I built this entire multi-platform marketing campaign from absolute scratch, complete with a premium logo, print-ready menus, custom packaging mockups, and high-end video ads. No Photoshop, no complex design tools, and no expensive agency. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to do this for your own business using Lovart AI. All right, when you first log into Lovart, you will be greeted by this clean interface, where the main engine is this prompt box right in the center. On the left side of the box, there's a plus sign where you can upload reference files or turn on web search. Right next to that is a book-shaped icon. Clicking this opens the skills section, which is a lot like using specific skill in Claude Code. There are finely tuned skills for social media, e-commerce, branding, etc. You'll also see a light bulb icon that lets you toggle the thinking mode on and off. Next to that is a drop-down for your models. If you open this up, you will see that Lovart gives you access to the absolute best generative models on the market all in one place. It includes top-tier image models like the latest GPT Image 2, alongside Nano Banana 2 and Pro. It also features industry-leading video models like Cdance 2.0 and Kling 3.0. If you scroll down, there is an amazing community section. You can browse through 3D art, designs, and video generations created by other users, and even see the exact prompts they use to get inspired. But where Lovart truly outshines everything else is in complete end-to-end brand design. We are going to build a complete brand identity for a fast food restaurant from absolute scratch. We're just going to click the New Project button, which drops us right into a blank canvas. The Lovart agent is already selected by default, and since it is highly intelligent and specifically trained for these exact design workflows, we are going to let it do the heavy lifting. First up, we need a logo. I am going to drop my prompt into the agent box asking for a modern logo design for a pizza and burger spot called BiteCraft. I'll press enter, and you can see the design agent goes into thinking mode. This isn't like standard image generators that just instantly spit out a random flat image. The agent actually processes the request like a real designer, so it takes a minute or two to craft the result. I'll let it generate, and look at what we got. I'll zoom out a bit so you can see. It is highly professional. It integrated our brand name perfectly at the top, added burger and pizza below, and even included some nice subtext. Our visual identity is officially established. Now that our branding is kicked off, I want to design the actual physical menu for the restaurant. I will prompt the agent to design an A4-sized menu, explicitly instructing it to keep our new logo, color scheme, and fonts completely consistent. The agent automatically selects the best model for each specific task. Right now, it is utilizing the GPT Image 2. Okay, we got our menu generated. I'll drag the finished menu right next to our logo on the canvas and zoom in. It is incredibly professional and perfectly matches our new brand DNA. It used the exact same color palette, identical typography, and placed our logo flawlessly. It even auto-generated a complete menu layout featuring smashed burgers, wood-fired pizzas, sides, and a variety of drinks. It executed the layout perfectly. But let's say you need to make a quick change to this menu. Usually, you would have to regenerate the entire image and hope it looks the same. With Lovart, you just click on the image to open the top menu, which has tools for upscaling, removing backgrounds, and erasing. But we're going to click Quick Edit. Let's say I want to change the text that says Grand Opening Friday. I just type change the day from Friday to Sunday and hit Run. In a matter of seconds, it creates a new generation where Friday is flawlessly replaced with Sunday. It didn't mess up the fonts, it didn't change the background layout, it just fixed the word. It is amazingly simple. Let's move on to some marketing materials. I want to create a social media post, so I'll go into the Skills menu and select the Instagram Post skill. I'll drop in a prompt asking for a high-energy 1:1 ratio Instagram feed graphic advertising a weekend feast deal. The agent gets to work, and the output is fantastic. We get a mouth-watering burger graphic that uses our exact BiteCraft logo, typography, and color scheme. It perfectly aligns with our total branding. And we can use the text editor. Here, I'll click Edit Text, and the side menu pops up, showing all the detected text: weekend feast, buy one get one free, etc., etc. Let's say I want to change the deal, so I'll simply type over the text in the panel, changing get one to get two, making it buy one get two free. I'll run it, and let's look at them side by side. It updated the word perfectly. It kept the exact same font, lighting, and layout. To really show you the power of Lovart for scaling a campaign, let's create multiple social posts all at the exact same time. I'll go back to the Skills menu, Select the Instagram post skill and drop in a prompt asking for 5 distinct high-energy graphics. I've specified a unique deal and visual for each one. Let's run it and see what happens. Look at this. In one go, it generated 5 completely unique, stunning images that instantly fill the canvas. We have a buy one, get one burger offer featuring our exact logo and color scheme. Next to it, a 20% off wood-fired pizza deal, a sleek promo for a crispy crunch burger, a free upgrade graphic for loaded fries, and finally, a massive family feast spread featuring burgers, pizza, and fries together. The AI intelligently applied our core branding to 5 completely different visuals at once. Next, let's create a vertical social ad. I'll enter a prompt for a 9:16 vertical ratio ad that incorporates our brand colors. It generates this stunning pepperoni pizza ad with our logo at the top, a Crave It Click It headline, and an Order Now button. It's completely ready to run on Instagram or Facebook. But let's say I think the logo at the top is a little too big. I can use the Click to Edit feature to fix it. If you're on Windows, you hold Control and click. On a Mac, you hold Command and click. I'll Command-click the logo a few times to highlight that specific area into the prompt box. Then I just type Make the logo smaller and hit Enter. The output comes back and the logo is perfectly resized while leaving the rest of the ad completely untouched. We also need physical deliverables, so I'm going to prompt the agent to generate some custom packaging mockups, specifically a pizza box and branded burger wrapping paper. And look at the results. The pizza box looks incredible, featuring our logo and brand colors perfectly. The burger wrap seamlessly integrates our branding. You can literally generate your entire physical and digital inventory in one place. Finally, I want to create a cinematic video ad. First, I'll prompt the agent to generate 5 distinct starting frames for a food commercial. While those generate, let me quickly show you another amazing feature called Edit Elements. If you click Edit Elements on any generated image, Lovart actually processes the image and separates every single element into distinct layers. Once it's done, you can click on the burger, the text, or the icons and physically move them around or resize them. You have complete layout control. Now, back to our video. Our 5 frames have generated and they are stunning. A sizzling burger patty, a massive cheese pull from a pizza slice, golden fries, a person holding our burger, and steam rising from our pizza box. Now I'll prompt the agent to take all 5 of these frames and turn them into 5-second video clips. The agent plans it out, letting me know it will use the Kling 3.0 video model. I hit continue and it cues all 5 clips for generation. Once they're finished, I simply tell the agent to combine them all into one seamless video. Let's play the final result. Look at how cinematic and mouth-watering this is. With a little bit of audio editing on your end, this is a ready-to-run high-end commercial. It really shows you what an incredible tool this is. Now, I want to highlight 2 brand new, incredibly powerful features Lovart recently added. First up is the font generator. Over on the main menu, if we click Font Generator, it allows us to create our own custom typography. You can type a text description, but I'm actually going to upload the menu image we generated earlier as a visual reference. I'll click Generate, and the AI automatically analyzes the text from our menu and extracts it into a fully usable custom font. It even named it Vintage Bistro. Now this custom font is saved to our account and can be applied anywhere on our canvas. The second major update is the dedicated brand kit hub. To set this up properly, I'm first going to prompt the agent on our canvas to generate a clean 1-page brand book for BiteCraft containing our logo, our color palette, and our typography. Once that generates, we have our master visual asset. Now, let's head back to the Lovart home screen and click on the Brand Kit tab. Right now it's empty, but it has this amazing option, upload your full brand book to autofill everything. I'll upload that brand book sheet we just made. You can see it processing and extracting the data. In seconds, it automatically detects our logo, our exact color hex codes, and both our heading and body fonts. I'll click Import, name this kit BiteCraft, and save it. Let me show you why this is a complete game changer. I'll open a brand new project on a completely blank canvas. At the top of the screen, there is now a brand kit drop-down menu. I'll select BiteCraft. Now I'm just going to type a simple generic prompt. I don't need to describe the colors, the vibe, or tell it to include a logo. The AI recognizes the active brand kit and automatically does the rest. Look at this generation. It perfectly placed our logo and flawlessly applied the deep crimson and amber color scheme. By locking your brand kit into every project, you never have to manually repeat your visual guidelines in a prompt again. The AI just knows your brand identity automatically. It's an incredibly powerful workflow for any business owner. I will leave the link in the description, and remember, they currently have a 45% off sale running, so definitely take advantage of that to test it out yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and a comment, and I will see you in the next one.